Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to put this back to the bumper if that was removed. Sometimes this is much higher, so when your bumpers do reverse, maybe this hits and from here and this comes off. If you have noticed this plastic, do not ignore it. Go and pick it up, go and find the screws and you can put it back. I will show you where it falls. See, here that's the other one, but on this side is missing. You see there's some holes here, and now I will show you how to put it back. So take this, place it in the exactly position it's supposed to be, and place it is in the inside and find the hole and push it inside like this. Now if it doesn't go, if you cannot put this by your hand, this tool might be useful for you. Find the hole. If you find the hole, make sure you align it. With this tool, press it so it will fit. These are my fans. They can't play with me. So what we have done, we have put some glue here because it seems that it doesn't fit very well. And press it hard. Also, to enhance this, maybe you can add some glue so it will not fall again. So I will enhance the first one. Obviously I don't see very well what I'm doing, but I'm gonna catch these and apply some glue. And I hope I have done a good work. So I hope it's obvious what I have done, and I hope you have fixed it. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.